Parsnip fries are so easy to make and delicious. They are versatile and can be roasted, fried, boiled, grilled, and steamed, but tonight I'm making oven-baked parsnip fries. I'm Tess, and welcome to my kitchen. Parsnips are a root vegetable like carrots and are high in vitamins and minerals. They are rich in flavor and have a sweet taste. Parsnips are delicious when added to mashed potatoes, in soups, or roasted with other vegetables. I have 3 medium-sized parsnips that I cleaned, peeled, and cut into 2 to 3 inch strips. You just want to get them somewhat uniform size so they cook evenly. You can season the parsnips with anything you like. Tonight I'm making it simple with a little salt, black pepper, and a little Lowry seasoning. I'm coating the parsnip fries with a little olive oil. It depends on how many fries you have, but I'm adding in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and giving everything a good toss to get them evenly coated. I'm spreading out the parsnips on a baking sheet and trying to keep them separated. These are going into a preheated 450-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes, and then I will remove, give them a flip, and bake an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until they're golden brown and crispy on the edges. You can serve these delicious sweet parsnip fries as an appetizer, snack, or as a side dish. Oven-baked parsnip fries can be a healthier alternative to your classic potato fries. The fries are quick and easy to make, tasty, and you can make them any flavor profile that you like. I hope you give these delicious oven-baked parsnip fries a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!